Okay.
Hi, this is Mr. Valentine here, and today we'll be talking about place value. Now, on the website, you'll also find these terms already defined for you and your child's understanding. We have digit, period, value, standard form, expanded form, and written form. Okay? So let's get into our little example here. Right now, we see our number 342,462,972,145 and 675,000 written out in its standard form. What I would like to do first is write this number out in its expanded form. So what we're going to do is we're going to start all the way over in the 300 billions place right here. So, and now you always got to make sure you double check your work when doing it to make sure you have the right amount of commas there. Because when you look at the numbers in the billions place, you'll see that there's 1, 2, 3 commas there to separate the periods. So voila, there we have it right there. That is 300 billion. That's its value. So now I can move down to my 40. That'll be 40 billion. Now right here, this is our billions place. So that number will be 2 billion. And as we continue on with these numbers, we'll get down to the 400 million, 60 million, 2 million, 900,000, 70,000, 2,000, 100, 40, and 5. Now, I've started off the value right here. This number right here is something that you can practice with your child at home today. Now, this is something special that I want to talk about right here. This is a decimal. And this decimal plays a great deal of importance when it comes to dealing with numbers and their value. This, before the decimal, all shows numbers that are partial numbers. After the decimal, it shows numbers that are whole numbers. So we have to take that into consideration when we look at a whole number and numbers after the decimal. So, how do we express this 675,000? Well, let's look at it like this. And we're still writing it out in expanded form, just starting at the decimal place down here. And the next one. And we follow through. And there we have it. We have our tenths, hundredths, and thousandths place all lined up and written out in expanded form. Our tenths, hundredths, and thousandths place. Now, this might seem a little overwhelming to you at this point right now, but this is something that is mandatory and you must know in order to be successful in math class. This is very basic and very simple, but through hard work and determination, I know everybody in this class will be able to succeed and learning about place value, understanding it, being able to write it in standard form, expanded form, and also in written form.